Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Sagittarius ngayong May 23, 2024, 1:52 p.m. Philippine time. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. So panoorin nyo rin to sa perspective ng inyong rising sign kasi mas accurate, okay? So, for you Aries, ang full moon ay mangyayari sa inyong 9th house. 9th house is about foreign travel, adventure. Ang full moon kasi is about releasing outworn beliefs. So, maaring yung mga belief system ninyo, no, na nagbabago, gusto nyo nang i-let go kasi hindi na kayo nagre-resonate doon. Pwedeng related yan sa inyong religion na fina-follow or maaring sa pananaw nyo sa buhay, mantra sa buhay. Pwede kasing nagbabago yan through time and you feel like meron ka na kailangang i-let go dahil sa tingin mo hindi na to applicable sa situation mo ngayon. Okay, you are also stepping into your authority na you are taking control of your situation ngayon, lalo na sa mga bagay na gusto mong i-explore. Maaring gusto mong mag-business or gusto mong mag-work abroad. So you are really taking control of your destiny sa pamamagitan ng pag-discover pa ng sarili mo. Okay? You are also finding clarity, so mas naliliwanagan ka ngayon kung anong path yung tatahakin mo. Yung iba sa inyo maaring mag-aaral, no? Magdadagdag pa kayo ng knowledge and skills para sa pagpapaunlad ng inyong kabuhayan. Yung iba, maaring makakita kayo ng opportunity sa ibang bansa. Or other, iba pang pwede nyong subukan para mas mapalawig nyo yung inyong kaalaman. Okay, let's see what else. Aries. You have the 6 of Wands. So, there's definitely success in here. Yung iba, you will find success sa pagiging teacher, sa pagiging mentor, trainer, spiritual leader. Kasi parang nakikita mo rito na people are admiring your work. You are gaining respect from others. Let's see, ano pa. You have the 7 of Pentacles. So, this is things are coming into fruition. So, yung mga trinabaho mo, yung mga inifortan mo, unti-unti mo nang nakikita yung resulta nun. You have the 3 of Pentacles. So, meron ka ring opportunity ngayon na trabaho, it's like collaboration, no? Makatrabaho ang ibang tao na merong iba't ibang pananaw sa buhay, or it's more of bringing together, no? Pagsasama-sama ng mga taong merong parehong interes, lalo na kung mahilig kayong mag-aral or mag-discover ng mga interesting na bagay. Pwede rin ditong merong contract signing related sa mga gusto nyong i-discover abroad or sa mga gusto mo pang pag-aralan. You have the Tower. So, this is awakening. So, I think merong kang ile-let go na let's say dati mo nang practice, no? Dati mo nang ginagawa. Pero you feel like tapos na yung chapter na yon and it's time to start something new. Okay? You feel na hindi na ito applicable sa situation mo, you are not resonating with that anymore, and you want to explore more options. Let's say, for example, dati meron kang pinapractice na belief system. Okay. Tapos, biglang na-realize mo na hindi ka na nagre-resonate doon. You are now more interested sa iba pang bagay. Okay? Na sa tingin mo, mas nakaka-relate ka. Step out of your comfort zone. North Node. Ayan, no? Makes sense kasi ang ninth house is discovery, no? Discovering yourself, seeking for answers, no? So you are stepping out of your comfort zone. You are also focused on your future. New Moon in Capricorn, step up and lead. Wow. So maaring meron ding leadership role na mag-o-open for you during this time. That's why meron kang it's like a chapter of your life is ending and a new chapter is starting. Dahil mas malakas yung loob mo ngayon na i-discover pa yung potentials mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!